This is the elevator Dick's Sporting Goods, Oxmoor Center, Louisville, Kentucky. Thank you. Dad, I'll see you down here. So, can you press 2 for me?
Oh, okay.
I didn't know I was going.
Yeah, that's sorry. I couldn't call you back. I'm over here.
Re-leveled.
So.
What?
That's okay. All right. Thanks, man. See you, buddy. How you guys doing?
Good.
Not too bad. How about you?
Living the dream.
Yeah.
I know.
You too?
What?
Going down?
Hayden, we're going back now?
Yeah. It's a Schindler. It's a Schindler.
What's a Schindler?
The elevator.
Oh!
Changes before it moves. Just
I did not know that.
just like how I remembered last year.
Oh. Were you here last year too?
Yeah, HMT buttons, hands-free ADA code compliant phone.
Oh.
Elevator guy.
Signal to ride. I like this thing.
Hayden, let's go.
I like this elevator. I guess I'm gonna go on my own on this one.
Okay.
Going up.
No, I'm excited.
Door close button does not work. This was put in 2001. Eskandel, if this video is for you. Here are 2. Going down. Let's go down to 1. There we go, got the door for you guys.
Thanks, man.
You're welcome.
You going down too?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just riding. This is a Schindler elevator from 2001.
Wow. Yeah.
I believe this was replaced a older one from 1971, I think.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I don't know all the ins and outs of this thing. That's cool.
You have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Re-leveled Schindler.
Get off the elevator and let's go.
Gonna watch door close. There goes Ann. That's it.